Alright, we have arrived at Hetno Paratara beach, and this is where the boats depart. It's a really nice beach, look at this. We are Team Yellow, and this is the company we're traveling with. It's a new boat, so Krabi Mukandaman Travel. It has good reviews, so let's see. We are going. It's a pretty packed boat. I think it's like 50 people on the boat. So 30 minutes later, and we're almost at our first location of the day, which is Bamboo Island. Look at this giant hermit crab that we just found. Look, it's huge. Alright, time to go in. It's so hot. That was much needed.
Oh, the water is nice and cold. All the water we are into is like warm, like bath.
This is also warm.
But it's colder. Amazing. What a life.
Alright, that was Bamboo Island. Now we're going to Koh Phi Phi Don, which is the main island, to have some lunch. We are at Koh Phi Phi Don, the biggest island, and now we're gonna have some lunch here at Arida Restaurant Halal Food. It's a halal restaurant, so that's good.
So what did you get?
I got some salad, I got some potato curry, spaghetti, and some chicken, pad thai. It's a beautiful island. It is busy, it is touristy, but the scenery is very beautiful, and the sun is so bright. Like I can barely look at you guys. But look, this is the scenery. Look how beautiful. Alright, time to swim. We are at Maya Bay, and you cannot swim here because the coral is a little bit damaged, so the government has banned swimming, which is good because with swimming, I mean, a lot of people step on coral. Right, we made it to Maya Bay and no swimming. What do you think?
Perfect.
It is very busy, but it is also very beautiful. I think it's the finest sand I've ever walked on. It's like walking on clouds. If you want a little bit of privacy on this beach, don't stand over there. Yeah, don't stand here because there's the shade, so a lot of people stand in the shade, but go here instead. Look, it's not as busy here as it is over there. I don't know why people don't come here. What do you think? Is it the second best beach in the world?
Oh, it's the best beach I ever went to, but it's...
Is it better than Costa Rica?
It's crowded.
Is it better than Costa Rica? I'm not sure.
Yes, like visibility water-wise, sand color better, but in Costa Rica it was like more rough. Is that the word?
Alright, we're back on the boat again, and now we're going to Pile Lagoon. I'm going in. Time to go in again. The water is so good, guys. place if you ask me. This is the best place, not Maya Bay. Pila Lagoon. That was it. We are going back to shore and back to our hotel. We are back at shore. What did you think, Dina? How was
Really
it?
nice.
You like Maya Bay the most?
Yeah.
I like Pile Bay the most.
Yeah.
And it's now like around 4, so
Yeah, I think so.
we got picked up at 8:30 and we are back at 4. So we are back at the hotel like
back to the hotel.
yeah, like
in a
4:30 or something like that. And we paid 1,300
per person, including the
krabi.
park fee. Or how do you pay?
Yeah, including the national park fee for only Maya Bay. Actually, that's 400 baht. So I think it was a good price.
Yeah.
No, we paid 1,400. Sorry,
1,400 each. So like 1,000 is for the company and 400 is for the park fee.
Yeah.
And it includes lunch, the transfers,
Drinks,
you
fruits.
had, like unlimited water or orange juice. You could just grab if you wanted, and some fruits at the end. And yeah, the service was good. They were really friendly. They would ask to take photos of you whenever you wanted, or yeah, just explain everything really good. So it was really smooth service.
Cool. All right, that was another video of us.
Yeah.
If you liked it, like, subscribe, and follow. And hope to see you in another video.
Yeah.
Bye bye.